Probability then. Maya either walks, cycles, travels by car or travels by bus to work each day. Her method of travel each day is independent of her method of travel on any other day. So that just means that if she takes the car one day, it doesn't mean she's less likely to take the car the next day. It means they're totally independent. They've got nothing to do with one another. The table below shows the probability for 3 of her methods of travel on any randomly chosen day. So we can see that the probability of her taking her bike is 0.45. The probability of her taking her car is 0.1 and the bus is 0.25. Calculate the probability that on any randomly chosen day she walks to work. So we're basically filling in this missing entry in the table. Now remember, all of these probabilities will total 1 whole 1. So we need to work out what these 3 values add up to. So the most common error here is that people forget that there's an invisible 0 there, and now 0.1 is actually 0.10. So when we add these together, we have 0.45, 0.10 and 0.25. 5 plus nothing plus 5 is 10. Note down, carry 1. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 1 is 8. So what would be, or what do we need to add to 0.8 to get it to 1 whole? You can think of it as money. So what do you add to 80 pence to get to £1? Well, that would be 20 pence, which would be 0.2. And you can put the 0 on the end if you want to do so, but it doesn't matter if you don't. What is the probability that on any randomly chosen day she either travelled to work by car or by bus? So car is 0.1. and the bus is 0.25. So we need to add these 2 probabilities together, which gives us a total of 0.35. The most common wrong answer for that would be 0.26, because people just add 1 onto 25. But remember that 0.1 is the same as 0.10. Last part then. What is the probability that in any randomly chosen week, Maya travelled to work by car on the Monday? So by car on the Monday, which is 0.1, and by bus on the Tuesday, which is 0.25. And we have to multiply these because of this word and here. So we have to multiply 0.25 by 0.1. The best way to do this is to convert these both values into fractions. So 0.1 is 1/10. because this 1 is in the tenths column, and we're going to multiply that by 0.25, which is 25 over 100. When we multiply fractions, we multiply the top numbers, so 1 times 25 is 25, and 10 times 100 is 1,000. Now express that as a decimal would be 0.025.